As you can see, it's a straight road at this point. Off in the distance there against the horizon, you can see the Nut. See Bass Strait out there, and as we swing round, you can see the Nut coming into view. And here's another view of the Nut from the west. It's quite an imposing feature. That's the edge of Stanley Village there, those buildings. As we pan to the left, you get a bigger idea of the scale of the Nut. A really imposing feature on the landscape. From another hillock to the west of Stanley, a place called Highfield House. Place that was set up a while ago. We'll get to the dates later. But this is the old convict barracks, which gives you some idea of how old this settlement is in colonial terms. Ruins left now, but they were built in 1834 and occupied from 1836, designed for 40 convicts. But as the way things go, they housed up to 80 before transportation ended in 1853. Even then, you can see they'd have had a good view of the Nut. Convict ruins were built to support and build a place called Highfield House. We're just going to go for a walk through the gardens there. Might go into the house, I'm not sure. A park of Highfield House. Large stone buildings on all sides. And over there, you can just see the top of Highfield House. And this is the way in. Some local honey here. Bit of a tradition in this part of the world. And it's quite an entrance. More stone walls. I don't know if you can hear another stone building over there. I'm not sure if we're picking it up or not, but you can certainly see it in the images. It's windy. I guess it's always windy up here. And there's the Nut in the background. It's another view of the house. Quite an impressive structure. Particularly came up here for the views and to get some context of the town relative to the Nut. So we'll go over and have a look at that. This gives quite a good view panoramically of the town settled in underneath the Nut. I'm being blown around a bit up here. It's not really windy today. If you zoom in, you can see just how big the Nut is relative to town. Having seen that, we'll head into town and have a coffee. It's just after 9 o'clock in the morning. All the rain has cleared. Distance there, you can see Highfield House on the crest of the hill. Just come from over there into Stanley. Got the houses and the Anglican church. So we'll walk up over the hill and into the shadow of the Nut. Interesting museum. I've been in there. It's worth a look. We won't go in today because it's not open yet. And in fact, St. Paul's is still St. Paul's. Dominates everything in town. There is a walkway up if you're fit enough. There's also a cable car, but that's not running at the moment. It is very quiet today. It is early spring, and it is a Monday, and it's just after 9:30ish. So, of course, most places aren't open yet. Not being a drinker, it's of no interest to me. But people who are drinkers tell me that it's quite a nice drop of whiskey that's made here at the Angel's Share. All the colonial style and early 20th century buildings. 1911, the one on the right there is the town hall in greeny taupey colours. Huzzah! Open coffee shop. From Marley's, highly recommended. It's good coffee. It's such a pleasant day out of the wind that I'll sit outside and have it. You can see the nut just forming there in the background. Definitely a zigzag back and forth across the road town. Thankfully, the traffic's not so bad. And there was Marley's, my coffee shop of choice at the moment. And that's Stanley. All part of the Circular Head Council area now, and that's based in Smithton. And Smithton's down along the main highway and about 10-15 k's further west. You wanted to buy into the wonderful Stanley accommodation market, 2 cottages and a shop front. Very much plays on the oldie worldy feel. Another empty shop. There's been quite a few of these post-COVID. Of course, War Memorial for King and Country. This is the back of it on the higher part of the street. And as happens with all of these memorials, built in the First World War and with extensions for later conflicts, remembering those who fought and those who perished. This one built a little bit later than a lot of others, 1927. Rest on your arms reversed, a sign of respect for the fallen. Art galleries and whatnot, as you would expect in a tourist town. With the murals of Sheffield, they're quite impressive. There's a photographic, and still have their post office, which is good, although the building appears to have been sold. This road continues down to the coast, but it will take the high road. As we come up the path, Stanley's at the end of an isthmus that projects it into Bass Strait, and on this side, the eastern side of the isthmus, there's a sheltered harbour for ships and boats. There's chairs for the lawyers, but that's the view from their veranda. Yeah, it's quite a calm little bay in there. Public toilets, and looming over it all, the Nut. Heading down towards the harbour and the pier. Accommodation down on the coast. Very nice. It's quite an impressive view as well. See from the hair, the breeze has picked up. Possibly we have another shower on its way, but who's to know? Just wander over and have a look at the coast from the inside of the harbour. Noisy little gulls. Shadow off. Quite a few gulls there. Ooh, coming at me. Getting a bit blowing around here, but what a sheer face. You can see that it's everywhere. It's quite an impressive feature.